Hello, it's Carrie here again. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic, we're going to talk about what products sell really well on Creative Fabrica. Now, as a seller and an artist myself, I've really struggled with this as well because I'm always trying to improve myself and improve my products. So I really love that we can do this together. I've only been on Creative Fabrica since October of last year. So like many of you, I'm just starting out and I'm just feeling my way through this. I haven't been on here for 10 years and I'm this expert. Not yet. But I love that relationship that we can have and that we can build together and learn that together. So that's what we're going to learn today. What products do sell well on Creative Fabrica? If you're new here to my channel, my name is Carrie and I am a seller on Creative Fabrica, and I create these tutorials for designers wishing to sell their products on Creative Fabrica. So hopefully today will bring you some value and some information and that we can both learn together. So come with me now and I will go through some things that I've discovered in my research and hopefully to share those with you and that it can bring you value. So come along and let's enjoy the journey together. Okay, we're on the Creative Fabrica help page, and you go to Creative Fabrica Designers and Account and Store, and they have an article here, Tips on How to Be a Successful Seller on Creative Fabrica. And if you haven't already, I really encourage you to go through this and look at all of the tips and tricks that Creative Fabrica themselves gives you on how you can be successful on your store. I'm just going to read the headlines here, but upload new products on a consistent basis, create seasonal products to boost sales, create your own bundles, offer freebies every once in a while, promote your store and products with our affiliate program, and stay curious and keep learning. So obviously if you go through these and read more in detail, that they will let you know. But this video today, we're going to go through 5 ways that we can find products that will sell really well on our store. First of all, we're going to talk about looking for popular searches. So if you go to the Creative Fabrica up here in the bar and just backslash and then type in popular hyphen searches, and this will take you to the Creative Fabrica popular searches. So these are the search keywords that people coming to Creative Fabrica type in and that are the most popular right now. So when I go through this, I look at the top 10, but I also look at the 20 as well. So I go from 1 to 20, and then I create or will create products in relation to these topics that people have already typed in. So popular searches, I really suggest that you go on here and look at that. On your dashboard as well, these are the same words that I've just showed you, but search analytics on your dashboard, and these are the search words that they have in 1 day, 7 days, and 1 month. So it does basically the same thing. I just like coming here because it tells me a little bit more in detail. You can use the popular searches on Creative Fabrica to help you to understand what is the most popular and then create products that relate to these popular search words. So the second way that we can find out what products to create is that we need to follow seasonal trends and designs. I'm here on Creative Market. You can come here to look that up. Creative Market finds 2022 design trends, and this will help you because Creative Market is very similar to Creative Fabrica. So if you go through here, they kind of tell you an outline, and as you can see, what's the most trending, what sells the best on their market. So just go through here and you can explore and see what's trending. The seasonal and trending is really, really important. So for instance, summer is coming up, Father's Day is coming next month, then it'll soon be back to school, and then Halloween, because Halloween is really huge, and so on and so forth. Just make sure that you're paying close attention to the seasonal designs and trends. And the third way that you can find out what products sell on Creative Fabrica is that you need to become better at SEO. So once again, I'm here on the health page of Creative Fabrica. What are the guidelines for submitting graphics? And you scroll down and it talks about product description. Provide well-crafted, understandable, and informative product descriptions. We encourage you to mention what formats are included and what software will support the product. If your product contains quotes or sayings, please add the quotes to the product descriptions. This will help improve the SEO performance of your product site and make your product easier to find for those who are actively seeking your product. When you do your descriptions, make sure that you're using keywords, the main keywords for SEO optimization, so that people can find your work. Once again, you're going back to the most popular searches that I showed you before. Right here, you want to make sure that you're including a lot of these keywords, these main keywords, into your description of your products. The fourth way to find out what products sell on Creative Fabrica is that you can come here on the front page of Creative Fabrica and pay attention to the most downloaded items. So right here on the main page, I've only clicked on graphics, and so if I click on graphics, it's going to show me the most popular graphics that have been recently downloaded. It's not just about seasonal trends, it's about the actual product itself. Here you have sublimation bundle, but then here you also have a watercolor clip art collection. For the crafting part, you have a laser cut for alphabet. The bundles will really help you to boost your sales as well. Bundles are always really good. I'm going to start getting into that. I just feel that I need to have more products so that people can put that into a bundle. So that's why I haven't done bundles yet for me. But if you have many products and you can't do a bundle, Creative Fabrica won't let you do a bundle until you at least have 20 products on your store. For me, I just wanted to make sure that I had enough similar products so that I could create a bundle package. Bundles do very well on Creative Fabrica. But as you can see, it's not just the seasonal trends, but it's the type of product that you're making. So just be very aware of that. It's seamless. Backgrounds or patterns or watercolor images are very popular if you're into that, and even this finding out what hot niches are and putting it into a PDF, and this is selling like really well. So depending on what you do, whether if you're in crafts or embroidery or even the fonts, you can come here and just pay attention to what products are being downloaded and what's the most popular. So the fifth point that I want to talk about is to be consistent. That's really important. If you come here to Gene R, he talks about his earnings and how he gives you some tips and points. Many that I've already reviewed, that he already has reviewed. He states in his video is that if you're just starting out, to upload 10 products per day your first month. So for me, I found that a little bit excessive, but once again, it depends on what products that you create. But I think it's just important to remember to be consistent with your uploading. So whatever that looks like for you, then do it. I have a little bit of a bonus here that I've created for you. I have created this worksheet for you. This is free for you to use. You can download this. This is in the description below, that you can use to help you with your own product research. Most popular products sold on Creative Fabrica, we talked about that. What the seasonal holidays are, the trends are, and then your product ideas that would be going along with these seasonal trends. Then these last two sheets is you put the month and then you put the date of the week, and then perhaps your product, what category, and then your upload date. What I designed this sheet for is to help you to be organized and to be consistent with uploading your own products. I myself am going to use this sheet that I created, and hopefully this will help me to be a little bit more consistent with my upload of my products and my product research. So I hope this video today has brought you some value and helped you in some way. If it has, please like and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you're notified when I upload my next video. If you would like me to do any videos that could help you as a designer and seller on Creative Fabrica, I'd be more than happy to do that for you. And until next time, have a good one. We'll see you later.